to win the Wheelieville Roll Race!
Oh, Buster, it's not about winning. It's about having fun. The Wheelieville Roll Race, fun, fun, fun!
Fully charged!
If I turbocharge myself, I'll easily win. Next stop, winning!
What's taking Buster so long?
Hey, Bandit!
Buster, are you okay?
What? Yes, sir. Ready? Absolutely.
Ready, set, go!
Cones, another one here.
Whoa! Tree, bush, cat. Oh, Scout's house. This is turbo-tastic! I'm gonna win!
Not again!
Buster! Are you okay?
Oh.
Buster, did you overcharge?
I'm sorry, Jada. I thought if I had more charge, I'd be faster. I just really wanted to win. I can't have fun stuck in a bush. I just want to race with my friends. Go Buster! There! Fully charged! Next stop, the Wheelieville Roll Race. Fun, fun, fun!
Yeah! Buster, you're doing it!
Bandit! You're going so fast!
Oh yeah! Look at us zoom!
Yeah! Yay! Woohoo! Yippee! Yay! Now that was a turbo-tastic roll race, Bumper Bunch. The Wheelieville Roll Race, fun, fun, fun!
Buster, you said there's an emergency at the car wash.
There is! I've decided I want to be an emergency vehicle today, but I couldn't decide which one. So,
You decided to be all of them?
Uh-huh. I'm a fire ambulance police car bus. Next stop, emergency! Aw, there must be an emergency here somewhere. I want to use my sirens.
Being an emergency vehicle isn't all about the sirens, Buster.
Look! That kitten must be lost. Emergency! Ah! Hey, wait! Kitten, come back! Next stop, kitten rescue!
Buster, wait!
I'm trying to rescue you, silly! She's heading for the disco tunnel! up a tree, eh? I'll rescue you. Activate ladder! Ah! Oh, this is kinda hard. Oh, I think the kitten is scared of me. I have to help her, like a true emergency vehicle. Go Buster! Gently, gently. It's okay, little kitty. You're safe now.
Looks like you worked out the first rule of emergency vehicles, Buster.
It's not all about the siren. It's about helping people and paying attention to what they need.
That's right! You make a great fire ambulance.
I'm a fire ambulance police car bus.
Whatever.
And suddenly, I found myself in the Wild West. And that's how I got my hat. The mark of a real cowboy.
Whoa! I want to be a cowboy.
I really want that hat.
Patience. A true cowboy also takes their time. Whoa! My hat!
Don't panic. Sheriff Buster is on the trail. Yee-haw! Next stop, cowboy hat.
Skid mark! I need that hat.
You leave that hat alone, partner.
But I need it. I can't be a real cowboy without a cowboy hat. That's mine!
That's not yours, Bandit.
I need it!
Stop! You'll break it.
Oh, follow me, Ash. Huh? A cactus garden? That's not on my map. Cactuses don't frighten Sheriff Buster.
Wait, Buster. That's not allowed. You'll get a flat tire.
But I have to get Monty's hat now.
Remember what Monty said?
A true cowboy also takes their time.
Out of the way, slow coaches! Ow! Help?
Aha!
Ouch! Ow! I'm sorry. I really wanted the hat so I could be a true cowboy, like Monty.
Now, it takes more than a hat to make a true cowboy, Bandit.
A true cowboy takes their time, right, Monty?
That's right, you really are a true cowboy. I think you've earned a cowboy hat. And I think Bandit could use a tow to the garage. Saddle him up, cowboy.
Yee-haw!
Thanks, guys. Ouch!
I can't wait to see the shooting stars. By my calculations, the best place to see them will be up the top of the mountain.
Loading map. It's go time. This way. Follow me.
Shouldn't we stick to the road?
We'll get to the shooting stars in time. Promise.
I have a bad feeling about this. Nothing can stop me!
Uh-oh.
Oh, skid marks. I'm stuck.
Me too! Oops! Sorry, Ash!
Diggly, quick! Pull us out!
We're gonna be stuck here forever! I knew this stupid shortcut was a bad idea. Why couldn't you just go the way I wanted for once? Never gonna miss the shooting stars.
We will see the shooting stars. We can get out of this.
How?
I've got a brilliant idea.
Oh, forget it. No one can hear us. According to my calculations, we'll miss the shooting stars for sure.
Wait! That's it! Diggly, what happens when you add water to mud?
I don't know. It goes gloopy, I guess.
That's right! And if you make it gloopy enough...
We'll slide out.
Go back a bunch! Let's move!
Ash! Splash!
It's working!
Look out! The cliff edge!
It's not a cliff edge, it's a stunt jump! Follow me!
Buster, are you sure about this?
Trust me, Diggly. I won't let you down this time.
You, that was some shortcut.
Whoa!
Look!
Ooh. This is a great viewing spot. We made it after all.
Sorry, Diggly. I should have listened to you. Next time, maybe we'll just stick to the road. 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. Next stop, hide and seek. How to find my friends? Hey, I'm Diggly. According to my calculations, piles of leaves make excellent hiding spots. Woohoo! I'm Speedy Scout. Vroom, vroom, vroom. No one can find me. Phew! Beep, beep! Found you!
There! My 575th pile of leaves done! Go, Rubble! Hey! Why don't you be more careful, you little tie-estiders?
No, I'm Mr. Rubble, and I always ruin everyone's fun. Near, near, near. Ha ha! The perfect hiding spot. Ooh!
I don't ruin everyone's fun, do I? I guess. Oh, nobody likes me.
Oh, Mr. Rubble's really upset. Did I do that? Oh, I didn't mean it. I feel so bad. Go, Buster.
Found you, Buster. Found you too, Diggly.
Huh? Forget hide and seek, guys. We need to help Mr. Rubble.
Mr. Rubble.
No, it's bad. We hurt his feelings. And we need to cheer him up. Next stop, leaf cleanup. Aha! All tidy. Ta-da! Beep beep! Rubble Bunch reporting for duty. We I wanted to say sorry for making fun of you. So we cleaned up all the leaves.
Wow, you kids have done a great job.
I did it! I won hide and seek.
Say, Mr. Rubble, why don't we tidy up this last pile together? Hurry up! We're going to be late for the show.
Blippi the excavator! I can't wait to see him. He's my favourite.
Let's take a shortcut through the construction site.
Buster, are you sure?
Absolutely. Maybe we took a wrong turn. Diggly, how do we open the door?
There's a button on the other side. We're going to miss Blippi's show. This is a disaster.
Huh. Diggly, do that again. Guys, that sounds good. Whoa, groovy. Guys, keep going.
Buster, what's the matter?
Nothing. It's just you guys are all so good at making music. But I can't do that.
But Buster, our song is missing the most important thing. Words. You can sing, Buster.
Oh, I don't know.
You can do it, Buster. Aha! Start the music. Bumper Bunch, let's move. Buster, you're doing it!
Go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Oh, I can't wait to see this Blippi the Excavator concert.
Wait, what's that sound?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
That was amazing! You kids are really good.
See, Buster? You can do it! The gate is open! Thanks, Mr. Rubble. We can see Blippi after all.
Yay! Bumper Bunch, let's move.
Wait for me! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
Next stop, ice cream.
Roll up, roll up! Time to try the new ice cream car wash on this hot, sunny day. All exciting flavors!
So many flavours. I want to try them all.
Not so fast, Buster. Only one ice cream per vehicle per day. Those are the rules.
Huh?
But it's so hot.
No buts, Bandit. Now, skedaddle.
Why does Mr. Rubble always ruin the fun?
If only we could sneak past him.
Wait, Bandit. I've got a brilliant idea.
Mr. Rubble, come look at this. There's a cloud in the shape of a forklift. It looks just like you.
What? Where?
Look, it's up there. Look.
That's where I'm looking, but I can't see it.
To the left and the right.
Well, where then?
Mr. Rubble, do you even know what a cloud is? Bandit, let's go. Oh well, my mistake. Bye.
What? Hey! Stop right there!
Run, run, run!
Come back here, you little tire skidders.
This way!
What? No! This way!
That's a dead end down there. Oh? Huh?
Run! Stop this flim-flammery.
Shortcut!
Ice cream avalanche! Ew.
Buster, Bandit, why did you take all this ice cream?
I'm sorry. We just wanted to try all the flavours.
And we were so hot.
This ice cream was for everyone to share. Taking it for yourselves wasn't a nice thing to do. But you know, all these flavors melted together taste pretty good. Maybe you'd like to share it with your friends?
Roll up, roll up! Get your rainbow ice cream here! All the flavours in just one scoop! I'm gonna be the fastest bus in the whole wide world! Next stop, the moon!
According to my calculations, Buster, the rip-roaring rockstar rocket will make you turbo fast. Just a few more adjustments. Oh, come on, Diggly, let's go! Ready, steady... Whoa! Ah! Whoa!
Painting the wall. Huh? Oh, ow.
Sorry, Mr. Rubble.
Ah! Ah! Oh no, 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 no! Ah! I'm stuck!
Don't panic, Buster. I know where the key card is. I think.
Help! Get me out!
It's okay, guys. I found the key card. Oh no!
No, this is awful, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad.
Hey, give it back! Oh, this is a disaster! Don't panic, don't panic, don't panic!
Guys, stop! You're scaring him. You need to slow down. We need to take a breath and think. If we can't get to the bird, maybe we can make the bird come to us.
Oh.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Thanks, little Robin Dude. Bye-bye, little buddy.
Hey! What are you little tire skidders playing at?
Mr. Rubble, slow down!
I'm trapped! I'm trapped! Get me out! No! No! No!
It's okay, Mr. Rubble. We can get you out.
Just need to take it slow. Da-da-da-da! Come on, Bumper Bunch, let's move. This way to the Zip Zoom racetrack.
Whoa! Watch out for Speedy Scouts! Slow down, Buster!
Whoa!
What is it, Bus?
must be brand new.
Interesting. It's some kind of colour car wash. Whoa! Check this out!
Yes, yes, yes! That's awesome, Scout. We can all be different colours. Let's go, go, go!
I don't know, guys. Maybe we should just go back to the racetrack.
Relax, Ash. We'll go racing later. This is going to be such a fun adventure. This car wash is the best thing ever.
Oh, Buster! Let's make this go even faster.
Yes, yes, yes.
Buster, are you sure we should do that?
Oh, come on, Ash. Don't be such a slow coach.
Diggly, how do we make it faster?
Budge over, Buster. Push this, pull that, punch this, and there! Turbocharge!
Littering.
Oops.
We're gonna be in so much trouble!
Ash, you are a genius.
A what?
We can use your hose to clean all this up. Bumper bunch, let's go!
What's all this then? What mischief and flim-flammery is going on here?
Hey, Mr. Rubble. How are you?
We were just, speeding to the racetrack. Nothing interesting here.
No paint explosions at all.
That's a nice hat. Is it new?
There's something funny going on here. I feel it in my hubcaps. Nobody can trick Mr. Rubble. Nobody. I can sense mischief.
Mr. Rubble! No! Woohoo! I love the mountains!
Snow is the best. These bumpy bumps are the funnest fun.
Whoa, that jump looks awesome!
Let's do it, Buster. I'm not sure, guys. What if we crash?
Come on, Ash. You're a super fire truck. You can do anything. Come on, Bumper Bunch. Let's move! Scout! We're flying!
Buster, we're crashing! Oh, you guys okay?
Oh, I don't feel so good.
Me neither. I want to go home.
Oh no! The crash zapped our power. We need to get to Jada's garage.
We need to get down the mountain. Ash, help us, please.
I got this. Whoa! Sorry, guys. I can't do it.
Don't be sorry, Ash. You can do anything, remember? You're a super fire truck. You're doing it. Keep going.
You got this, Ash.
Whoa, this isn't helping.
I feel dizzy. We're nearly at the bottom of the mountain. Race! Whoa!
Sounds like you both had a big bump.
It was really big.
Yeah, probably the biggest jump in the world. Oh, that's cold.
Sorry.
That tickles.
Well, you're both very brave, but especially you, Ash.
Buster's
You saved the day.
He really did.
Thank you, Jada.
No, thank you. Now, what you two need is a good rest to get fully charged.
Next time, Scout, we'll land that jump.
I heard that. Buster, Buster, Buster! Here, I'm open.
Oh no!
Bust down! Bust down!
Buster, are you okay?
Buster, your tooth is broken!
What? Ah!
By my calculations, Buster, your tooth is about to fall out. You will have to get a robot tooth to replace it.
What?
This is all my fault! Don't be silly, Diggly. Everyone knows when your tooth falls out, you lose it forever.
Forever? Forever? Look, a tooth. Maybe we can get help there.
We'll never get there in time.
We have to get there. Ash, Scout, sirens on.
We're doomed. What are we gonna do, Buster?
Okay, so here's the plan. Scout, you... Scout? Scout!
Vroom, vroom, vroom! Bet you can't catch me, Mr. Rubble!
Stop this flim-flammery at once! I'll get you!
Sorry, Mr. Rubble. We have a tooth to save. Are we nearly there yet? Yeah, I'm running low on charge.
Yes, I think so. Just one more road.
Buster?
We can do this.
Look, there it is.
No! My tooth!
Yee-hoo! Congratulations, Buster.
But it's gone. It's gone forever.
Yes, it is. But a bigger one will grow in its place.
A bigger one? I don't have to get a robot tooth?
Dearie me, no. And you can keep your old tooth.
Wow! It's amazing!
That's even cooler than a robot tooth. I want to lose my tooth next. Can I have a go, Buster?
This is it! The Super Speedyway. We're finally big enough to ride it! Yay! Next stop, Super Speedyway.
Yoo-hoo! Buster, Ash, Bandit! I'm going to teach you to ride the Speedyway. Remember this ride and you'll be just fine. Take it slow, look left, look right, then drive, drive, drive!
Done! Bandit, Ash, let's go!
I'm nervous. How does the rhyme go? Take it slow. Look left, look right.
Left, right, drive, drive, drive! I'm gonna drive so fast!
Not as fast as me.
Watch out, folks! It's Buster! The fastest bus in the whole wide... Ooh! This is impossible!
Later, slow coaches.
Please don't crash, please don't crash.
Hey, Buster. Can't ride the Super Speedyway? Try the Lullaby Road. Slow coach.
I'm not a slow coach! Come on, Buster. You can do this. You're a big Ah! Nuh-uh, nope, I can't do this. I'm going back. Oof. Forget it. I can't do it. I'll just drive on the slow roads for the rest of my life. It'll be fine.
Oh, Buster, it's okay if it takes a few tries. Don't give up.
But Jada...
No buts, Buster. Now go on. Back on the Super Speedyway with you. You can do it! Go, Buster!
The Speedyway is scary fast. I don't know if I can do this. Go, Buster. Look left and right. Take it slow. Then drive, drive, drive!
Whoa! Yeah! Buster, you're doing it!
I am! Thanks, Jada. Fastest bus in the universe. Let's go! It's me, Super Buster, the bravest bus in the whole world.
And Speedy Scout, the fastest race car in history. And Professor Excavator, the digger with the ginormous brain.
Ooh. Aw, I wish I could fly, but I'm not so good with heights.
Come with me. Professor Excavator has a cunning plan. Behold, my greatest invention yet, the Excavator Turbo Flyer.
Diggly?
Professor Excavator.
Sorry, Professor Excavator. This is a trailer?
That won't fly. Not in a million, billion, trillion years. But this isn't just a trailer. It's a big, balloon-powered cloud bouncer. Bandit!
Whoa!
Hmm?
These balloons are cool. We should fill them with water and have a water fight.
Leave them, Bandit. We're trying to fly. Ah! Whoa, that's high. But I'm Super Buster. Super Buster isn't afraid of heights.
Get me down. I don't like heights. Buster, help.
How do we get down?
I didn't think of that.
We'll think of something. Just don't look down.
Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down. Ah! I looked down.
By my calculations, they could float all the way into space.
We can do this with a bumper bunch.
Aha! Buster, catch!
Ooh! Aha! Ah! Bandit, pop some balloons.
I'm scared. I can't move.
You can be brave, Bandit. You can do it. We both can. Ah! Ah!
Stand back! Stand back! Turbo Flyer coming into land!
Whoa! That was fun.
We faced our fears. That's awesome. And it turns out, buses can fly.
Buster? Buster!
Surprise! Happy birthday, Scout. You didn't think I'd forget my best friend's birthday, did you?
Oh, thanks, Buster. It looks, delicious.
Oh, it was delicious. But don't worry, Scout. I have more surprises. Follow me. But close your eyes. No peeking. No peeking now.
Buster, where are we going?
It's a surprise.
Is it the racetrack? Wait, I know! Are we going to the disco tunnel?
Even better. You'll see. Okay, peek. Wait, surprise!
What are we doing in Jada's garage, Buster?
You'll see. It's a special surprise. Did I mention it's a surprise? Ready, Scout?
Sure?
We're going to turn you into a race car. You'll be the speediest car in the whole town. Go, go, go!
Buster, you missed one.
This is fun. It sure does take a long time, though. But it's worth it. Only the best for my best friend.
Buster.
Maybe I'll be a mechanic someday.
Buster!
Oops. Sorry, Scout. I promise my painting will be better.
Painting? But we've just come from the car wash.
Oh, double oops. That was a surprise too. Come on.
Everything okay, Buster?
Yup. Oh no! I've used the wrong colours. I just wanted to make you feel special on your birthday. Now I've messed it all up. I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. I've had the best day. This is so much fun.
It is?
Of course. What could be more fun than messing around in the garage with my best friend? Woohoo!
But we were supposed to have a photo.
Not yet. I've got a great idea. Buster, it's time for a makeover. Not like buses to be late. Whoa! This was the best birthday ever!
You're welcome, Scout. This was so much fun. Ready, Diggly?
Sure. You look super cool.